In this video, we are going to start adding formulas to our spreadsheet that we started yesterday in Google Slides. So here we have we've chosen our main dish, side dish, drink, and dessert from the website that we chose. And now we want to enter formulas to find the percentage of fat for each meal, the percentage of the fat calories. So if we go to our spreadsheet that we did yesterday, I went ahead and added a couple more things for the heading. Fat calorie per gram, fat calories, there's an empty column here, and then percentage of the fat calories. So for the fat calorie per gram, this is automatically going to be 9. For every gram of fat, it's 9 calories. That's just the way it is. So I'm going to add 9 to each one of those. And then what I want to do also is I'm going to make a sum of all the calories and a sum of all the fat. That is actually pretty easy. We don't have to type in anything. We can just use the buttons that are on the functions option. I want to put the sum of the calories right here below. So I'm going to click sum, and now I'll go ahead and grab what I want, click and drag, and then hit enter. And that's the sum. I want to put the sum of the fat grams. That's going to be right below. Click on the sum function, sum. Click and drag, enter, there it is. And just so visually I can tell the difference of what's going on below, I'm going to go ahead and just drag this whole area. I'm going to click on the borders, and I'm going to make a border on the top part of that so it's nice and clean looking. At this point, to know how many calories we have in fat per each one, we need to multiply the fat grams by the 9 calories per gram. So to do that, we're going to do a function that is not listed on this little drop down. It's actually under more functions. To do multiplication, that would be product. And if we want to make a product, the product of 6 times 9 here, we're just going to start typing equals. That's, and you see below, it's kind of like has a little idea where it says learn about the range. It's going to allow you to start doing a function. And so I'm going to type in product. And when I type in product, it's going to have predictive text. So I'm going to click where it says product. And I want to do a product of 9 times 6. So I drag, click and drag both of those, and then I hit enter. And that is the formula right here, product C2 times D2. Same thing here. Same again, equal sign, product. And then drag, that's going to be 0. And drag. And then I'm going to go ahead and sum up these fat calories as well. So I want them to be right here and sum. And enter. Okay, so that's a lot of fat calories. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make, to get to the percentage of fat calories, first we're going to divide the number of fat calories by the total number of calories in that item. To do that, and it's going to give us a decimal number. It's not going to give us a percentage just yet. But we're going to go ahead and divide the fat calories by the entire calories of the item. To do that, we're going to hit equal to show that we're going to do a function, and divide. This one makes a lot of sense. We're going to divide this, click it, do a comma, this, enter. There, we've got a long decimal point number, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and do the next one. Divide. Click on the fat calories, comma, total calories, equals, enter. I hit enter. Now, divide. I don't know if that's going to let us work. Let's see. Oh yeah, it worked. 0. Okay, so equal, divide, 134, comma, 350 is, there we have it. So if we want to change this number into a percentage, I'm going to go ahead and click on this column right here. And I'm going to do there is actually a function to change a decimal number into a percentage. So equals 2 with a TO, 2%. And at that point, I'm going to click on this one and hit enter. Again, equals TO, 100%. There we go. We know that's going to be 0, but let's just go ahead and do it so it's nice and clean. If we decided to change numbers at all, it would still work. Equals 2% and enter. There we go. Percentage of total. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and add these up. Well, actually, no. It would be an average. To see the average. Well, no. We're going to go ahead and wait on that. So there it is. We'll start the next part tomorrow.